What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix low volume problems on your AirPods. First, let's check a couple of settings on your iPhone or iPad that might be limiting your AirPods volume. With your AirPods connected, open the Settings app and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. From there, tap on Headphone Safety and make sure Reduce Loud Sounds is turned off. This feature is meant to protect your hearing, but sometimes it can keep your audio too low. Once that's disabled, go back to Sounds and Haptics, tap on Volume Limit and disable that option as well. With both of these settings off, your AirPods should be free to play at their highest volume. If you still feel like things are too quiet, try using the volume buttons on the side of your device to raise the level all the way up. Keep in mind that some apps, like games or streaming services, have their own internal volume sliders. So, if you're watching a video or playing a game, open the app settings and make sure the in-app volume is turned up too. Another common reason for low volume is debris clogging the speaker mesh on your AirPods. Over time, tiny bits of earwax or dust can build up and muffle the sound. To clean them, gently use a dry, soft bristled brush or a toothpick to remove any visible debris from the mesh. Just be careful not to push dirt further inside. After cleaning, play some music again and see if there's an immediate improvement in clarity and volume. If it still seems like one AirPod is quieter than the other, head back into Settings and tap Accessibility, and then choose Audio/Visual. There you will find a slider labeled Balance that lets you adjust how much sound goes to left versus right. Make sure the slider is centered so both AirPods play at the same level. Once you've centered the balance, test your audio to see if things sound more balanced and louder overall. Finally, if none of these steps solve the problem, resetting your AirPods can clear out any lingering software glitches. Open up your Bluetooth settings and tap the eye icon next to your AirPods in the list. Choose Forget this device and then put your AirPods back in their case. Press and hold the Setup button on the back of the case until the status light flashes white. Then reconnect them to your iPhone. This fresh connection often fixes stubborn volume issues that normal settings adjustments can't. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.